Marketplace. From the New York Times, Grade A. A light bulb goes on over the mall. LEDs have proved attractive as cities and businesses look to replace aging, energy-guzzling fixtures with lights that can not only turn on and off automatically, but receive and transmit data about their own status as well as their surroundings. Some 20,000 poles, lights that can communicate with the Sensity network. Cities worldwide are expected to replace 50 million aging fixtures with LEDs over the next few years. From the Wall Street Journal, Grade A-. Condos left behind in housing rebound. Condo construction has been slammed by tough rules on condo mortgages enacted after the housing bust, as well as stronger demand among young people for rentals and tight lending conditions for builders. First-time home buyers will account for just 18% of new home purchases this year, well below the 27% rated logged in the more normal market of 2001 to 2003. A developer based in Miami said he can get construction loan for roughly 75% of the cost of a building an apartment complex, but lenders will cover only 50% on average of a condo's complex cost because of the greater risk. From the Washington Post, Grade B+. Walmart's self-interested shot at reviving the American factory. Walmart is trying to revive the U.S. manufacturing base. The company is 2 years into a 10-year plan to buy $250 billion more in products from American factories. Average wages in China, which were 17.5% of U.S. wages in 2000, are now 61% of U.S. wages. It is not easy to rebuild a supplier ecosystem that was dismantled as production moved overseas, making components such as ball bearings and circuit boards nearly impossible to source domestically. From the Wall Street Journal, Grade B+. Doctors object to higher cancer drug prices. Critics from doctors to insurers to state Medicaid officials have voiced alarm about prescription drug prices, which rose more than 12% last year in the U.S. The doctors also proposed changing U.S. law to allow patients to import cancer drugs for personal use from other countries, including Canada. Reforming the patent system to make it more difficult to prolong exclusivity. Others have called for pharmaceutical industry to justify rising prices by disclosing more of its R&D and manufacturing costs.